first look at how to deposit. Help me confirm if you can see the screen. Just drop a message if you can see the screen, because I am already sharing. Help me confirm if you can see the screen. What's happening to the channel? Guys, drop a message if you can see it. Just drop. Somebody said no. Hello, can you see the screen? I can't see anything. Okay. Then let me try doing it again. Let me try doing it again. Just give me. Okay, I can see it now. Good. It means we're on the same page. It's not showing. All right. So let's proceed. This is expert option interface. Those of you that have been saying I am new, you don't know what is going on here. So I'm going to walk you through this platform like a newbie and somebody that doesn't haven't heard of trading before. So pay attention and learn. First thing, this is a new account. I just signed up this account. I just registered, and if you look here, I've not done any deal. The only trading I've done here is on a demo account. Okay. At the top of your page, when you register, you'd see this real balance. Real balance means your real money. Then demo. I only traded demo just a few hours ago. So I think the deal should be here. Okay. I only traded demo. And you can see I already took the account to 20 something thousand. So on the real account, this is where you're going to deposit. Let's say I want to deposit now. In fact, I'm going to deposit. You can use these finances up here or at the left corner of your screen. If you go to finances, you would see deposit. For some of you, as soon as you sign up or you just create an account, you would see this option to make deposit. You can use bank transfer. You can use USSD banking. You can use USDT or cryptocurrency. Among all of them here, as an African or a Nigerian, just go with bank transfer. But if you understand cryptocurrency or you have cryptocurrency, of course, you can use the crypto deposit. I think it is faster. But to make it easier, just use the bank transfer. Somebody said we can't hear you. Are you sure? Can I get that feedback from someone else? Can you hear me? Hello, guys. Give me your feedback so we can proceed. Can you hear me? Can hear you. Okay. All right, then let's go. So this is bank transfer and cryptocurrency. The easiest way, just go with your bank transfer if you don't have cryptocurrency or you don't know how to buy cryptocurrency. So we're going to do that. I have just selected the bank transfer. Let's say I want to deposit $100. Let's deposit $100 into this. I am going to use a promo code. This interface here, this one is exactly the same thing you would see if you're using a phone. So I will have a promo code. Yes, I'm going to put a promo code here. Because this is my first deposit, I would go into of course, I'm always dropping promo code for us. So this is a promo code. This right here. Why is it showing me? Sorry, guys. Let me close and open it again. Why is it marking my... My PC is really slowing down. I don't know what's going on. Okay, let me use my phone alongside. Hold up. Okay, I'll just use my phone. Somebody saying I'm not seeing clearly. Of course, you'll be seeing clearly right now because I just enlarged the screen. So the first promo code, or the promo code for first deposit, is G1013140, then 1. This is the first promo code. So I'm going to say apply. Let's see what happens. It says invalid. Now, if you have this invalid value, this issue, it could be that it is not your first deposit, one. Secondly, this account has been live for over 24 hours, or your account has been registered for over 24 hours. So that is the two reasons why the promo code or the first time deposit promo code might not work for you. The second option is to use either create another account or use NEOS 120. Okay, NEOS 120. If I use this one, it will work. You can see that NEOS 120 is going to give me a 120% bonus, which is this. Okay, so let's proceed. I would say pay. Of course, this is my account, my name, the email, and this is how much I want to pay. Remember, I'm going to make this payment in Naira. I'll do proceed payment. I'm showing everything live here, except when I'm going to send the money. So this is how they are going to give me the bank account that I will send this money. Don't send money to this account, oh. It is just one time. Okay. VFD, that's the name. You would see the name of the account. This is exactly how much I'm going to pay, and it will only, this account will be valid for just 1 hour. Okay. So let's go. Let me copy this. I believe it has already been copied on my VFD. So I'm sending this off camera, and 16712, right? Okay, everything is set. So I just sent it. 106,712. By the way, I am sending from my Access Bank. You can send from any bank. Then you do, I have paid. One thing you don't want to, one mistake you don't want to make is don't use somebody else's account to send money. Please, I don't know what will happen. Just let's avoid having some issues while depositing. Use your own account. Use an account that has your name with it. Okay, so that you will not get stuck. Now, payment has successfully been made. Can you see? How many minutes did this take? Let's go back to the page. You see, your account has been successfully credited. Let's trade. They're asking for phone number. And would I want to do this? Just use email now, Benny. Okay. Where's my? I don't want to continue with this. So that I'm not going to share my number with all of now. By the way, that's how to deposit. Can we proceed now? So let's go to my main account. This one is. So for the newbies, I just taught you how to make deposits. The next video I'm going to make is when I am making withdrawals. My next withdrawal, I will definitely make a video about it so that you would also learn how to make withdrawals. From all the things I have done so far, like for today, I believe it is very clear on how to make deposits. If you have a question, please ask and I will answer you. Drop a comment now. Somebody said, what if you deposit without a promo code? It's fine, but why would you deposit without a promo code when you can do that and have extra cash for trading? Whether you like it or not, that bonus can save you, can help you. Okay, and okay, you can do that after depositing. Please, guys, assist me. How can I verify my documents, please? Okay, maybe in our next meeting, I am going to do verification for this same account that I just made deposit into. I have not verified it, so I will verify it again. And I will record the process because these questions are coming again and again. Just so tiring. So I am going to do all of that and back to trade. I don't want to put my phone number. Is it by force? Is it by force to use? So you don't have any questions so far, right? Now let me introduce the newbies to expert option and how it works. The one I just used is the web version, okay, and this one is PC. Let me close this because it's making my PC slow somehow. So now this is how the interface looks like. A quick introduction. Options trading is a derivative type of trading that is limited by time. What this simply means is that you can go into a trade for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 hour, and as soon as the time is done, you would either make profit or you take your loss. How you win trade here is if you make a prediction now and you enter a buy. Let me use demo account to practicalize this. If you enter a buy, you are saying that the price of this asset we are trading would go up within your time frame. If it goes up within that time frame, even though it is very, very small, but above your entry, you would win that trade. And what does it mean to win a trade? You are going to win this percent of the amount you use for that trade. Let me stop talking and show you practically. At the top of the screen here, you will see the pairs you want to trade. We usually trade euro dollar in this channel, and this is the percentage you're going to make. It is showing 87%. So for every trade you win, you are going to make 87% of how much you used for that trade. And here is the duration. So you can customize the duration as you wish. Okay, right here, if I select 30 something seconds and I apply, it means any trade I go into for euro dollar right now, it will only last for 30 something seconds. And this is where you put amounts, how much you want to go into the trade with. See, my balance here is above, but below the screen, this amount means how much do I want to use from my balance per trade. So it is $200 that is here. And if I say, okay, based on what I am seeing, I expect the price of euro dollar to go up, and I'm going to say buy. Now I just tapped on buy, which is the green, and within these few seconds, if the price remains above my entry, I have won this. And by the time you calculate 87% of $200, you would know that it is $174. So for this trade that I have done in few seconds, I made $174 plus my initial $200 that I used for the trade. That's how it works. So the strategy, the principles, risk management, everything that we talk about and learn in this channel is to remain in profit. If you understand how the market moves, it will help you on the long run, especially to making money. We are currently doing a challenge in the channel, and at the end of this month, we are going to be rewarding 3 persons with $1,000. And of course, if you are just joining, don't worry, there are several opportunities here and challenges that you would participate in. Most importantly, you just want to understand how it works and start, working on your own self, because the ultimate goal is for each and every one of you here to know how to do these things by yourself. I've come to love trading on expert option, and it will be a good thing if all of us are winning together, right? So these things you're seeing on the screen, I added them. They are called indicators. And I have made several videos, of course, on how you can understand these things. I even have courses on how to implement some strategies. In case you're seeing lines on your screen, you can convert them to candlesticks, okay? Let's go to area and come back to candlesticks or candles. Let's see, 15 seconds. So it is back to candlestick. With this, you'll be able to analyze what exactly is happening. When looking at this chart, we have been bearish, like the market has been dumping. And I showed you already how to make deposits. if you are selecting your pair, in case you're not taking signals, which of course I would not advise that you trade by yourself if you don't know how to analyze this market. But in case you want to trade, one of the things you would want to do is check the percentage of these pairs. If you're trading this one, like this football index, you're going to be getting 82% if you win a trade. But the one at the top, which is euro dollar right now, is giving you 87%, which means it is going to be better for you to trade this and win a higher percentage than using this one. And if my trading signal comes with 3 minutes, you can calibrate or customize your time frame, your deal duration to 2 minutes or 2 minutes and 30 seconds, because your network can slow you down and you might not catch up the trade immediately. This is one thing a lot of persons had issues with when we started trading on this channel, the first months or first few months. So if there are people coming into the channel and you're experiencing this thing, all you need to do is just calm down and learn the strategy. Okay, you definitely would need help, and I believe some of the members are already doing that because I see them answering your questions. Kudos to you guys. So that is that. Again, you want to pay attention to learning, understand trends, understand the indicators. Now let me show you where indicators are. You see these guys here, this panel here, you would find it at the side of your screen if you're using your mobile device, at the left side of the screen. Just open them, you would see this is indicators, and here is MACD. You can apply it. This is MACD indicator, and of course you can also add RSI. These are my two favorite indicators, and I simply use them to get price confirmation, tell me when the market is going down or when it is going up, what to do per time. And yeah, it is as simple as that. So again, so far, the new guys in the channel, if you have a question, drop it. Let's be taking it one step at a time. If you have a question concerning options trading or expert option or the challenge or whatever it is that is confusing you, this is the time to speak up. And I would be in the comments waiting for your questions. If there is no question, then we are going to proceed. So let's wait 1 minute for that. How to place a trade. Okay. If I drop a signal saying this euro dollar up 3 minutes, what you need to do is put how much you want to use. This is up. You do up. Okay. In 3 minutes, we are going to see. I think I should be trading. Should I trade with the other account I just opened? This is not 3 minutes. Because the mobile app would not allow me customize my time frame. However, if you're using your phone, you can customize time frame. You would see customize. Or I think it's customized, the route there. You see it, select and choose 3 minutes. If the signal says buy or up, I usually use up and down. If signal says up, this is up, this green here is up. If signal says down, this red is down. That's what you need to do. That's all. So you need to be on standby. We trade here every 7 p.m. Monday to Friday. We don't trade weekends because, of course, this is OTC. Okay, so that's about how to place a trade. When you are profitable, how do you withdraw? It is the same way you make deposits. This deposit video that I made the deposit didn't even take up to 5 minutes. And I've already said the next time I'm going to make withdrawals, I would show us exactly how to withdraw. I think I will withdraw this week. On Friday, our meeting on Friday, I would withdraw. So there will be a video on withdrawals. How do we change the candlestick, please? I've already showed you guys. Here, under the chart, I said if you're using your mobile phone, you would see these icons. You see them by the left side of your screen. And it is already on candles. This is line. This is areas. So if you put it on candle, you select the time frame, say 1 minute time frame. It is going to show you candlesticks. All these candlesticks now, they are price movements in 1 minute. So after 1 minute, this current candlestick will close, another one will open. Whether it is going up or coming down, every 1 minute, each candlestick will keep coming up. So whatever time frame you choose under the candlestick, it would reset your charts and show you. These are basic things, but you need to understand technical analysis, of course, before these things will be clear to you. Okay. Must I withdraw with the same method that I? Yes, it is an instruction, not me. Your first withdrawal, I think it is your first or your yes, the first withdrawal or the first two withdrawals must be to the same deposit method you used. You cannot change it. With a promo code to start. Okay, that's not a question. Where is chatting group? This is chatting group now. This is chatting group. Where you where you wrote this question is the chatting group. Let me show you. Because as basic as it looks, I know some of you don't know. This place here is chatting group. Like comments, yes. If you open it, you'll see that it is the discussion. You see discussion. So it is the discussion group. It's not anywhere different. Is it a must to deposit with my own bank? Yes, you should do that, because why not? Why would you not deposit from your account? The essence of all the verification that Expert Option is coming up with is because they want to reduce scam and avoid all those false deposit or scam deposit or third party. So use your name, use your account. Don't use somebody's account. Use your account to be on the safe side. How do I verify my account? I have made a video talking about the criteria for verification. Please go and watch that video. Why is it that sometimes some trades are won while some people lose? I have explained that time frame could influence the reason why people lose trade and others win it, or people win and others, however you want to see it. Time frame, it could be that you're taking the trades late. It could be that your late entry gave you the better entry. So many factors. So one of the best ways to always remain in profit or reduce the risk of losing a trade is, if before you enter a trade, let's say your time frame is at 5 seconds, before you enter that trade, if the analysis says down, let me take this to, why is it going up like that? If the analysis said down, and when you opened your chart, the market is already dumping, you know that, okay, within the past 10 seconds it has dumped. But if the analysis said down and you open the chart and it is going up, it means you that entered here, you have a better entry than those who entered here. So you always want to confirm before you take any trade. Just cross check whether you are getting the best entry. But if the analysis said down, and when you opened your chart, it is already dumping like with speed, if you sell, you're going to have a late entry and you could lose that trade. So these are some of the factors that leads to losing trade while others win it. I still don't understand the time changing. I only see seconds. How do I modify? Oh my goodness. Let me open this. Sorry. I just have to do this for some of you, because I know somebody else is going to ask me the same question. Even though I refer them to this video, they'll still ask me. Let me show you how to modify your time frame. Oh my god. Is it a must that I put my phone number here? And I don't want to do it. These people are looking for my trouble. Where is this? They have taken my pay. You see, I cannot show you. I will send a screenshot or a screen record to the channel. I think that should do. But like I said, if you open this place on your screen, you will see customized. This thing is not anything serious. Okay. What is the average time for withdrawal? withdrawal does not take time. Even though they have written it will take 2 working days, it doesn't. It doesn't take time except you're doing the wrong thing. And I noticed a lot of you asking these questions have not even made withdrawals before. You are just asking because you are you think expert option is a scam and your money. Because why is somebody coming to my DM to say I want to make deposit, but I would like to know if I deposit, when can I withdraw? Is anybody telling you you cannot withdraw? Or do you have somebody who has not been able to withdraw from expert option? Because I keep saying it. Anybody that says they have not been able to withdraw before, direct them to me. I will tell them why. It's not, you cannot have money on the app and then you're saying I have, see how much I have on this app. If it's not, if it's not legit, I will not even dare it. I will not carry my money since. What is the difference between expert options and trading options? It's the same thing. Options is the general name. Expert option is the name of the broker. What we are doing on expert option, we are trading binary options. Okay, I think that is that. Which time frame is the best for analysis? You should go learn that. It's part of learning technical analysis. Must you verify your ID documents for selfie before yes, you must, because they need to be sure your account is your own before you remove money. How do you know when the analysis says down? It is when you do the analysis. Now if you do the analysis, you know whether it is coming down or not. Which other question is here? Does candlestick time frame affect the results? Supposing entries are made the exact same time? No. Candlestick does not, whether it is on candlestick or line, it does not affect the results because the price still moves equally. So thank you so much. I think we have spent 30 minutes here. And if you're new in this channel, I believe you know how to deposit. Very, very important. You know how to enter a down trade and a buy trade, how much you should, okay, I've not talked about how much you should use, but how to put your margin. This is where you put how much you want to use per trade. It is very, very important you don't put more than 1%. That's the only thing that can save you. Don't put more than 1% of your capital. If you have like $10,000 here, 1% of $10,000 is what? To be around $100. Is it 100 or 1,000? No, 1,000 is 10%. $100 thereabout. You would be using that $100 per trade, 1%. If you have $100 in your balance, be using $1. That's the only way you will not easily blow your account. Else, it's just a matter of time before you cry. So manage your risk. Go and watch all those videos. I've talked about several things, and I always drop the links. Go and watch them. If you really want to make money, then dedicate your time to learn some of these few things. It will also give you confidence, and that is all we all need to start printing in this place. Again, tomorrow is Monday. Go get your accounts ready. We'll do well this week by the grace of God. Thank you very much, guys. Nice having you here again.